Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix controller or gamepad not working in Jurassic World Evolution 3 game. So here follow the fixes. The first fix is to enable disable Steam input. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Jurassic World Evolution 3 game. This is just an example I am showing with another game, and then click on properties. Now go to the controller tab and here select disable Steam input. Then make sure changing requires restart of the game. So just restart the game and then check if the controller is working or not. If not, then again right click on Jurassic World Evolution 3 and select properties. Go to the controller tab and this time select enable Steam input and then again restart the game and then check if the controller is working or not. This has solved the issue for many players, so I hope this will work for you as well. Second solution is to press the Alt plus Enter keys. So try pressing the Alt plus Enter keys on your keyboard. This simple trick can sometimes help to fix the issue. Now check if the controller is working in Jurassic World Evolution 3 or not. Fix 3 is to disable third-party game controllers and unplug additional peripherals. So other peripherals on your PC like third-party game controller or any plug peripheral such as USB devices, pen drive, mouse, keyboard or additional controller or display, phone, camera might conflict with the game. So remove such peripherals and then check if it fixes the problem or not. Fix 4. Check if controller is properly connected. So check and make sure that your controller is connected properly to your PC. Wireless controller, check if it is paired correctly. Wired controller, try plugging it into different ports. You can also test your controller on different systems to identify the issue. Fix 5 is to use a wired controller. This is an alternative solution. Maybe game have some bugs or glitches at present and your wireless controller is not working. So if you have wired controller, then connect it and then play the game as of now. Fix 6 is to verify the integrity of game files. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Jurassic World Evolution 3 and select properties. Go to the install files tab, then click on verify integrity of game files. And after the verification has been done, just relaunch the game and check if the problem is solved or not. Fix 7 is to restart Steam or restart PC. So close Steam from task manager, then relaunch Steam and then launch Jurassic World Evolution 3 game and then check. If that doesn't help, then simply restart your PC, run Steam as an admin and then check. Fix 8 is to update Windows. So go to the Windows settings. On the left click on Windows Update, then click on check for updates, and if there are any updates available then download and install them and then restart your PC once, and after your PC restart then launch the game and check if the problem is solved or not. So by this way I hope you can easily fix controller or gamepad not working in Jurassic World Evolution 3 game. So that's all for this video.